wasn't a problem. It was right into that very outlier.
How's that ice cream with cookies and milk
Whether these waters contribute to
cream
good
and yogurt and sugar and everything in it?
Evidence
Huh?
in for longevity lesson number 3. The
A big one.
diet, a version of the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is core.
It's cold.
Vegetables, fruits, and olive oil. We know people who will strongly adhere to the Mediterranean diet have 6 extra years of life expectancy than people who don't. Included in that diet, secret number 4, lots of healthy greens. Over 150 varieties of wild greens grow on this island. Some have more than 10 times the level of antioxidants that
Yummy.
Koreans can walk right out of their front door.
That's a big one.
At healthy feast.
Down the hatch.
And if healthy living is your cup of tea, go herbal. That is lesson number 5. It's this regular, sort of ritualistic consumption of these herbal teas that we think explain low rates of heart disease and also low rates of cancer.
Boy.
We kind of like lesson number 6. Get rest. Korean.
Oh my God! Big. Careful.
People are taking your naps. So you know people take naps 4 times a week, at least a half hour.
Oh, huh? Oh man. Tell me about it.
How's that head?
People here have a low sense of time urgency. That's lesson number 7. Take your time. When you ask people what time it is, they say, well, 8:30. When you're invited,
Oh, he's licking it up off the table.
they might come anytime between 10 in the morning and 6 o'clock at night.
Sam will love to see that.
Number 8, embrace community and family. If possible, keep your extended family close by. He says it's good for young and old. All people are looked at as recipients of health care, recipients of Social Security.